Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing a super easy and healthy egg rice recipe, ideal as a quick lunchbox meal or as a quick meal option for bachelors or for busy people. So let's get started with the recipe. To make egg rice into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of raw ponni rice. This is hand pound raw ponni rice which I sourced locally. You can use any variety of rice like boiled ponni rice, basmati rice or even raw rice. Into this I'm adding in some water. I'm allowing it to soak for about 10 minutes. Into my stone grinder I'm adding in 1 tablespoon whole black peppercorns. And I'm grinding the black peppercorns into a fine powder. And once ground, keep this aside. To cook the rice, I'm heating some water in a saucepan. Into it, I'm adding in 3 lightly crushed cardamom, half of a mace which I'm crumbling and adding in, a small piece of cinnamon, salt as needed, and I'm allowing this to come to a boil. And once the water starts to boil, add the soaked and rinsed rice and allow this to come to a boil. If you have cooked rice at hand, you can skip this process and use the cooked rice. I'm going to cook the rice, and once the rice is cooked, I'll be straining the rice. While the rice is getting cooked, let's make the masala for the egg rice. Into my cast iron kadai, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 3/4 teaspoon fennel seeds, also known as saunt in Hindi. And once the fennel seed starts to crackle, I'm adding in 8 to 10 garlic cloves sliced. Give it a stir and allow the garlic cloves to get light golden brown in color. Meanwhile, the rice is simmering on low flame, and like I mentioned earlier, once the rice is cooked, I'll strain it and keep it aside. And once the garlic cloves starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in 1 onion sliced. Give it a stir. Allow the onions to turn transparent. It should take about a minute. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, add in some fresh curry leaves. I'm tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Give it a stir. Add in 1 cup finely sliced cabbage. At this moment, I have reduced the flame to the lowest. I'm using a heavy bottomed cast iron kadai which retains more heat. Adjust heat as per the cookware you're using. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Remember, there is already salt in the rice, so add salt as needed. Once the cabbage and onion are sauteed, make little space in the center or make a well by pushing back the onion and cabbage to the side of the kadai. Add in 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in 4 free range eggs, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and once the egg is slightly cooked, give it a good mix. Keep stirring just to make sure that the egg is not getting burned at the bottom of the kadai. The egg will cook really fast, so just keep on stirring. And once the egg is about 3/4 cooked, mix everything together. Add in the cooked rice. Add in 1/2 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, the freshly ground black pepper powder. If you're making this for children, adjust black pepper powder as per the taste. Now give it a good mix. And lastly, add in some fresh coriander leaves. Mix well and turn off the flame. My quick and easy, healthy, flavorful egg rice is ready to serve. You can enjoy this egg rice on its own or with any side dish or even with pickle. So guys, do try this healthy egg rice recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.